Okay, obviously the bonnet is damaged and cannot be repaired, will have to be replaced. Damage to the front, it's mainly on the driver's side, not so much on the passenger side, although it doesn't look like it's in line, so certainly will need to be straightened. The damage on this side seems to be quite limited, however you can see from this side it's really this side that's been pushed back. The radiator, the AC condenser, those certainly seem to have gone. The oil radiator's there as well, so all of this will need to be changed. This under tray, the front bumper is obviously missing, headlight is cracked and broken. This whole frame structure here has been completely pushed back, as has everything inside, the washer fluids and everything like that. The AC pipes are also here as well. It's actually touching the tyre, so I don't know whether it's damaged the tyre or not, but they're both, it's, you know, it's obviously touching, so this whole frame structure will need to be changed here. This looks out of line here as well, so you can see there that's not quite right as it's sitting at the moment. This seems to have pushed back and possibly caused damage to the A-pillar. The windscreen on the A-pillar is damaged, will need to be replaced, it's cracked. The frame is also damaged as well, and as far as I'm aware the frame and the bonnet are both out of stock at Ferrari. There's certainly some damage there as well. Doesn't quite look right.